Look, so
Wow.
big. Yeah,
Wow, yes, 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 I can see that.
so big.
Look it. ल्या गयो ल मेलभिनले पनि ल के बनाउनु भएको छ अरे घरको घर है
बनाएको गाईको
So this house is dedicated to her, mentor, teacher.
Hello friends.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So we are, where are we?
We are in Mystery Garden.
Okay. Anta?
This is my dog.
Okay. What's her name?
Her name is Julie.
Okay. Anta?
Uh,
What is she doing?
she's sleeping.
She is sleeping?
Yes.
Okay. You can see the beautiful flowers, right?
Yes.
Antakiri, let's show. Let's show what do we have here, right?
We have hamsters.
Hmm.
You can see here hamsters. Look, hamsters.
Hello.
In Nepali, this is called guinea pig. Here's two only. Yes, here is babies. You can see babies.
Look, now let's go down, right?
We are going to a gooseberry.
Kai, mama, good morning, Vandana.
Good morning, Mama.
Good morning.
Let's go.
Oh, what he is doing?
अब बिमारी मान्छे त के गर्दैछ हौ?
Wait.
Let's go.
What he is showing?
What?
What he seeing?
What is he?
Oh,
seeing TV?
Elsa.
Okay. Look, let's go. Bistari.
Lou, we have reached to gooseberry.
Huh? Oh, where is it?
This.
Oh, this is gooseberry.
Yes.
Right?
We have to eat
Gooseberry.
yellow one also.
Yellow one. Okay, where is the yellow one?
There.
Here, रहेछ हौ.
Which one is orange? Yeah. Look.
Wow.
So big. Yeah.
Wow, yes, I can see that.
So big.
Look it. ल्या गयो ल next go for the yellow one. So I just got the yellow one. Here you can see, and I'm going to enjoy. Amazing.
Oh, there.
Kai,
Here.
got it? Oh, yellow yam रहेछ.
Oh, come here. I got it.
Okay.
So many.
Even
Oh,
here.
also there.
Oops. So many gooseberries. Yellow oat.
I can see one more there.
Where?
There.
Look.
There. There. Look there.
Where? You know? Yeah, that's right. Yellow. Yeah. Finished. Yeah. Okay. Even this looks like yellow. Yeah.
Look that one.
Where? You. Okay. Got it. Even this got it. Even over here I got it. Look. Lovely.
Oh, there is also.
Look, yam रहेछ हो. Look. So where are we going now? अझै तल पनि छ?
There's so many.
Okay.
Look.
Yes, I can see. We are going for the next plant. Wow, you can see such a beautiful. यहाँ रेबेका दिदी र भेनाले घरको घर बनाउनु भएको छ र यहाँ मेलभिनले पनि ल के बनाउनु भएको छ अरे घरको घर है यो सबै बाक्कालले यहाँ बाक्कालले. So this house is dedicated to her, mentor, teacher, and यहाँ हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ भुइँ सबै माटोले लिपेर बनाएको छ है. अनि सबै यो भित्ता बाक्कालको हेर्नुहोस्. खै छोड त नानु यहाँ अहिले फेरि लाग्छ नि त्यहाँ ड्याङ है ढिक्की भयो. अनि यो भयो जाँतो. Where is the gooseberry? This one? Okay.
Hello. We have harvested this much. She's my mother.
Okay.
He is my grandfather.
Grandfather? Okay, where is your brother?
I don't know.
Huh?
It's my father is down.
Okay. ल है अन्त wish you have a great day भन न. Have a great day, bye bye भन्दै ल.
He is my big brother.
Oh, big brother. Hello. What is your name?
Malcolm.
Malcolm. Malcolm के हो?
Malcolm Tamang.
Malcolm Tamang. So, are you a good boy?
Yes. No.
So, how old are you?
I am 10.
10 years old?
No.
Okay, ल ल अब बाई बाई भन्देऊ न. Vlog.
Bye-bye.
We are making vlog. ल बाई बाई.
See you in next video.
ल
Bye bye.
ल बाई बाई.